All Top 10 proudly presents Top 10 Most Beautiful Nature Scenes to Start Your Weekend. 10 Stunning Nature Places to Kick Off Your Weekend. Number 10 Rhodes, Greece. Number 9 Normandy, France. Number 8 Tel Aviv Sunset, Israel. Number 7 Route 1 California. Number 6 Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. Number 5 Monument Valley, Arizona, Utah. Number 4 Kepler Track, South Island, New Zealand. Number 3 Jökulsárlón, Vatnajökull National Park, Iceland. Number 2 Part of Mount Fitzroy, Alchaltén, Argentina. Number 1 Bryce Canyon National Park, Utah.